Have you ever wondered what separates winners from losers? What distinguishes those who turn their dreams into reality from those who give up? The answer lies in just 3 words: desire, faith, and autosuggestion. These are not just concepts. They are the driving forces behind 98% of all success in human history. And in today's video, I'll show you how you can master these principles and change your life forever. 1. Principle: desire. Everything starts with desire, not just a wish, not a "wouldn't it be nice" thought, but a burning desire that consumes you. Imagine a fire that burns so hot it melts away every excuse in its path. That's what desire is. But how do you ignite this fire? Here's how. Write down your goal in precise, clear detail. Don't just say, "I want to be rich." Say, "I earn $10,000 every month from my online business by December 2024. Clarity creates power. Read it to yourself every morning and every night. Feel it, believe it, and watch how your mind starts finding ways to make it real. 2nd principle: faith. Desire alone is not enough. Without faith, it's like planting seeds on rocky ground. Nothing grows. But faith is not a gift, it's a skill. And like any skill, you can develop it. How? Start believing that your goal is already yours. See it, feel it, live it. Close your eyes and visualize the end result. If your goal is financial freedom, picture yourself checking your bank account and seeing the exact number you want. Feel the excitement. Feel the joy. Your mind cannot tell the difference between a vivid mental image and reality. This is how you train your faith. The more you practice, the stronger your belief will become. Faith is not about logic. It's about certainty in your heart. 3rd principle: autosuggestion. Here's the most powerful tool of all: autosuggestion. It's the key to reprogramming your subconscious mind. 95% of your actions and decisions are controlled by your subconscious. If you don't program it intentionally, it will run on autopilot based on your past fears, doubts, and failures. But here's the good news: you can reprogram it. How? Use affirmations. Repeated emotionally charged affirmations penetrate the subconscious mind and rewrite your inner beliefs. Here's an example. I am wealthy. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. But here's the secret. It's not enough to say it. You must feel it. Attach emotion to it. Stand up, breathe deeply, and say it with conviction. The stronger the emotion, the faster your mind absorbs it. Let me break it down one more time. 1. Desire. Ignite a burning passion for your dream. 2. Faith. Believe in yourself, even before you see results. 3. Autosuggestion. Reprogram your subconscious to make success automatic. These principles are responsible for 98% of all human success. But here's the secret. Only 2% of people master them. Will you be one of them? The choice is yours.